Okay.
Do it! Just do it! No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 You better stop! Stop!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could you do you want you could do so you could you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's your profanity?
Shut up! Oh my God! Wow!
No, 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 no.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop you fucking lying.
He needs some milk!
21.
Bruh.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Run.
me. Help me.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Headshot. Nope.
Two hours later. One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh my God!
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh hell!